Jackson has an abnormal love for vegetables. Don't you? Don't you? This is a green pepper, which he's never had before, but he's willing to try it. What do you think? Do you like green peppers? I love my green pepper. Hey, how big are you? How big are you? How big are you?
Hold on, hold on. How big are you? How big are you? He doesn't want to say.
Hey Jackson, where's your belly? Where's your belly? Yay!
Yay! Yay! How big are you? Oh, there's your belly again. Yay! How big are you? Oh, he's not playing along. Thank you. Are those Papa shoes? Papa shoes? Thank you. We'll get those out of the way, huh? No, we'll get those right in the way. Ooh, look what I found. Meter money.
Jackson, how big are you? How big are you? Baby. I'm big enough to put my shoes on and chase the cat. Be soft.
Hi. Hey Jackson, how big are you? Oh, I'm so sick of this question. Oh. Whoa. Yeah? We'll see. Soft. Soft. Jackson, let go.
Pretty perfect when I work at them. Great.
Yeah, 1980. Rebuilt the tranny, tweaked the mount. That's a new passenger.
Single parent. You're not out in the dating scene because you're really at the parents' meetings. And parents are usually two.
Oh boy. It's like a bucking bronco. Yeehaw! Ride 'em, cowboy! Bucking baby chair. Yeehaw! Bucking baby chair. Wow. Here.
Oh. That is fun.
Be so proud.
Careful. Where's Jackson? Where's that? There he is. Oh, you're so cute. Where's Jackson? Where's Jackson?
You were out warning. I was warning. And so that storm is your front now.
Jackson, woo! Good dancing. Oh.